guys, it's Ruben, this is my cousin Blue, and welcome to the Woodwork Challenge. What's up guys? You know I'm terrible at football. He's good, he's wearing like football boots, I'm just wearing Nike Airs, so he's obviously gonna win. And if you don't know what woodwork is, it's where you have to hit the left post, the crossbar, and then the right post, but we're doing it in any order. Go, he's going first. Yes! I almost ended it. By that I almost. Yeah.
Right, as you know, this guy is so bad.
Shut up.
Okay, man. Oh! Get further back. It's up for the challenge. Oh no!
Terrible. His shoe came off.
Terrible.
Put your shoe back on.
That was just like.
Put your shoe back on.
Come on, take the camera.
Whoa.
Bloody hell. Shine. What are you doing? Yo.
Yes.
Did that hit?
Yes, it hit.
Fuck! Woo!
Dun 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 dun. That song's for my leavers assembly. How am I beating you and you're better than me? And you wear a football boot?
This is just so bad. Right, and by the way, guys, the ball is not allowed to bounce before it hits.
Wait, did you just get it on camera when
Okay, let's go.
The ball's not allowed to what?
Bounce before it hits. Yes! Here you go! Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
Hey, are these niggas in town? I mean, hey.
That's not racist. That isn't racist because he is quarter black.
Okay, that is not racist because I'm quarter black, like my friend, like my cousin just said. So let's do this.
That didn't count, by the way, because
That. Okay, okay. So.
wow. No, I can't take another shot if it hits. Don't count. Ah, the ball! Oh, little boy over here. Da 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 da. It's still beating you. What the hell?
Okay, guys, as you know, this guy is my cousin is so shit at football and he's beating me. I don't know how, but
Yeah! No! Damn it. It hit right above it. Should have counted. Don't. Skimmers don't count. Ah! Don't kick it. What are you doing?
look at all that sunshine. Sunshine in my pocket.
What are you doing? Wait, just checking something.
There.
Okay, yeah. Yes!
You've already hit that post.
I know, I was aiming for crossbar. I've got to be careful not to end the video, like, Jesus Christ.
You know I'm not trying.
Oh, of course you are. You say that for everything.
Guys, I'm not trying. I'll stop trying now, yeah? So Ruben, I'll stop trying now. Watch. No. No. Just tick your go.
No. Because I just gave you the camera.
Isn't it? Switch out of a block, dude. Fuck you, you've got to hit crossbar.
And that's it, then I've won. Oh my god, how am I beating you?
So I'm trying, I'm not.
Oh, okay. Excuses, excuses.
I'm trying.
Damn it.
See? Guys, I said I'm trying. Oh, I was doing the nutmeg challenge in his garden and I beat him 26-17.
Everyone knows I'm not good at football.
And he was beating me 2-0 at first. Wood, crossbar. Look at the fucking thing then. Terrible.
Didn't even need to.
Oh guys, as you can see, that was terrible. Why are you going for the same one?
No, I'm going for the crossbar.
It's coming out terrible.
Write in the comments who is the better cameraman.
We don't know about you. Go back or take a do 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 do.
Stop. See, look, he don't even record what I'm doing. He just records the goddamn thing.
Oh!
So you don't even know what I just did before he started recording me, right? See, I record him kick it and then I go to the goddamn thing. So I'm the better cameraman, okay? Which everyone knows.
Come down.
Oh my god!
Terrible. Just terrible.
I'm beating you.
You were still. Not even.
You said you was trying. Oh, the excuses.
Okay, nah.
Excuses.
I'm gonna try for this one.
Okay, what are you gonna hit?
Almost a fuck.
Yeah, but it wasn't.
Yeah, I'm further away than you. I'm always further.
Alright then.
Dick shit.
I'll put it from over here.
Go on then. Exactly.
Still beating you. And I hit the foot. I hit the ground and look at these shoes. These are not football shoes. Ooh.
Okay guys, from there, let's start trying. Let's do this.
No, who heard that? Who heard that? I kicked the ground.
Me!
I kicked the ground. Alright. Oh, you got all spit over the camera. She did. Don't have to wipe it without stopping the recording. 1 second. Okay. Oh, it's on the home screen. Oh my god. Okay, go.
Ha! As you can see, there was an epic foul. It did not even come off the ground.
Still beating you.
I'm not trying.
Look at our excuses.
Right now I will for this shot.
You see how he keeps saying, I'm trying, I'm not trying, I'm trying, I'm not trying.
Okay, I'm going to try the whole time now.
Yeah. Stop making excuses.
So I'll stop making up excuses. Ooh. How long is this going to play?
Oh, jeez, it's been 10 minutes. Probably like 11. I don't know. Never say never. We are never, ever, ever. Taylor Swift ended it. I'm taking my shot. Yes!
Okay, you took a couple close shots.
I know.
Oh, why is it curled too much? I hit it with the side. I need to start hitting it with the laser.
I'm never going to hit this crossbar.
Or if you just hit that, I'm actually going to cry.
Yeah. I need to concentrate. I've hurt my big toe. It's not fair. You okay, little big toe? I said little big toe. Lol. Hashtag little big toe. Don't get that. Over there. Someone interrupting my... Interrupting my recording. Fuck you, Nick Nick. He left it on your nan's bed.
I'm going back. Next day, you come.
Yeah, Nicky, he left it on your nan's bed. Alright, we're just gonna end it here.
I'll give it me 15 quid.
Alright. Please like, subscribe and peace.